Rishalin?
Excuse me, sir.
Lawan Sok? New Star.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Iwan Suklin? Fasta? Don't change your voice, okay? Haka?
Oh, sir. Good afternoon.
Deity.
Afternoon, sir.
Badahun.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is it Mercy? Okay. Ini Bandahun. That is Fancy. Let's start from here. Kirman? Yeah. Master?
Yes, sir. Good
Rishalin? Last one? Dondor?
Good afternoon, sir.
Ayan?
Good afternoon, sir.
That is not your normal boy.
It's my normal voice.
That's not your normal boy.
Yes, it's my normal voice.
I guess. Fasta?